Here's something most people in this country will never admit out loud. They aren't actually investing. They think they are because they have money sitting in super or maybe a few shares their bank set up years ago. But if you ask them what they own, why they own it, or what it's costing them, they go completely quiet. That silence is the most expensive sound in Australia right now. While you stay quiet, the system keeps charging you, and the years slip by. Let's look at the 7 uncomfortable truths nobody at the weekend barbecue wants to say out loud. The first truth is the hardest. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your bank, and not your employer. Superannuation sounds generous, but it was only designed to stop you from being completely broke at 70. There is a massive difference between not being broke and being free. If super is your entire plan, you don't have a strategy, you just have hope. This leads to the second truth. You cannot invest money you have already spent. Half of all Australian workers live paycheck to paycheck, telling themselves they will start investing once they earn more. But when income goes up, lifestyle creep catches up and spending rises to match it. More money doesn't fix a money problem. Better habits do. You need to build the muscle of paying your future self first before the bills grab it. The third truth is that hidden fees are eating your future alive. A 1% fee doesn't sound like much, but over 40 years of steady investing, that tiny difference can drain over $400,000 out of your final balance compared to a low-cost index fund. That is a house deposit or a decade of freedom paid to someone else for doing almost nothing. Fourth, you are the biggest risk to your own portfolio. When the market drops, fear kicks in, and people sell to stop the bleeding, only to watch the market recover without them. Every major crash in history has eventually been followed by new highs. Investing isn't a test of intelligence, it's a test of whether you can sit perfectly still when your gut is screaming at you to run. Fifth, timing the market is a total fantasy. Nobody consistently buys the dip and sells the top. What actually works is insultingly boring, investing the same amount on the same day every single month, letting dollar cost averaging do the heavy lifting while you ignore the scary news headlines. Sixth, your family home is not an investment strategy. Property is practically a religion in Australia, but your home doesn't pay you. It costs you rates, insurance, maintenance, and interest. You can't eat your kitchen, and you can't retire on a number on an app unless you sell the roof over your head. Real investing means owning assets that put cash into your pocket while you sleep. Finally, doing nothing is a decision, and it is usually the most expensive one you can make. Every year you wait for more confidence or a perfect market condition is a year of compounding you will never get back. The market will always look too risky or too high. The people who build real wealth start while it is still messy and let time do the work. If you want to change your financial path, find out what fees you are paying, automate a small monthly investment, and promise yourself that next time the market drops, you will choose to do absolutely nothing.